Point Charlie, at the edge of the city. Come on, damn it! Give me a signal. Cheap Radio Shack shit.
What's a nice lucky chap like you doing?
I volunteer. Moscow says we are missing someone. Reznov can find us. I'm like Russian blood.
Did you see any enemies?
They are all in Berlin, waiting to die.
All right, hold right there. Who are you and what are you doing here?
I say. Well, I'm Master Sergeant Woods of Her Majesty's Black Watch.
This is Sergeant Mikhail Reznov of the Russian Army.
It seems both the British and Russian army sent some chaps into this area never to be heard from again. And we're the lucky beggars who have been sent to find out why. So I imagine you're here for a similar reason?
The Pentagon couldn't let you have all the fun.
We think maybe something is going on how you say, abundant factory. We passed maybe 15 clicks back.
Yes, it seems that there were some rather odd sounds emanating from that factory.
I saw it. It's a steel factory, right?
Duh.
Yes.
Factories make all sorts of sounds.
You're right, old chap, but generally not after they've been closed for 30 years. Shall we investigate?
Why not?
Do either of you know what a zombie is?
Yes, I had one in a bar one evening.
In Russia, we don't mix drinks. We drink vodka straight.
Oh, not drinks. Zombies like the living dead.
No, I'm afraid not.
In Russia, dead don't live.
Okay, let's open the door.
Oh, look, there's one of our chaps now. Hey, you're one of our friends, right? What's your name? Oh my god!
What? Get out of there!
Are you alright?
That, my friends, is a zombie.
He was rather ghastly looking, but I thought he was cold. So why did he try and take a bite out of me?
Zombies are dead, and they survive by eating the flesh of the living.
And I thought Yorkshire pudding was terrible tasting. Help, lad, help! Your boy!
No, Reznov! No! Fuck you, you zombie freak! Watch out! Grenade!
Stop! What are you doing? Wood is still out there.
I'm saving your ass! Forget Woods, he's zombie food now! Side window! Reznov!
Not here! For Mother Russia! Die, you godlike bastard! Go to hell!
No, Reznov! Come back! No! Come back!
You bastard!
Reznov!
Run, my friend! Run!
No!